this is Jack at Jack's Transmission. So this is the final video on the flare clutch, and now has our carbon plates in here with billet baskets and carbon seals, and it is flawless. Gosh, it's such a dramatic difference. The paper clutch frictions that were in this clutch before were so slow on the shift. It would flare on the shift. It's just bad all around. Now the shifts are nice and crisp, and they're really fast compared to before. It's nice. And I'm also testing a Selector valve body in here too for a customer. So I'm going to send him this video so I can see it works good. Yeah, this is happy. It's nice. 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear, all gears work. Selector valve body works. No harmonic noises from it either, especially on that infamous R35 2-3 shift. It's absolutely perfect. So now I'm going to remove the Selector valve body, clean it up a little bit, wrap it up, ship it back to the customer. And I'm going to remove the flare clutch now that it's fixed, wrap it up, and send it to its customer as well. All right, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the series of videos with the flaring clutch. It just goes to show the extent we're willing to put into testing these units. Our frankenmission, we call it, our core trans we use for parts testing only, had a Selector valve body for a separate customer we were testing along with that clutch. So now we verified both worked. We're going to go ahead and pull them, ship them. They're good to go. Clutch got our carbon frictions set up my own way. These take kind of a special setup. It's not like the paper frictions. As you can see, they work incredibly well. Shift blazingly fast, firm at high load, high RPM, but nice smooth shifts like stock at low RPM, low load. Really, really nice. Carbon seals topped off the pressure leak issue, and then billet baskets, of course, to assure reliability. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and until the next one.